failures, but that made us better and better and better. And that's why we're one of the leading companies in EV production today. Okay? All right? So keep that in mind. Be leaders, don't be followers, and stay in school, and then we'll see you one day back here. All right? I want to work with you guys. All right? Thanks a lot, guys, for coming. Yeah, question.
What do you guys think about the tour?
It's awesome! I really like to hear seeing how Teslas are made and like how they're manufactured with like all the AI and all the like robot arms. And it was really fun to see everyone working.
I learned about the factory.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's really huge.
This was a great experience, and I'd love to come here again. When I grow up, I'd probably want to work here or either buy a Cybertruck, or if there's another Tesla, I'd probably buy it. Or both.
You could work for Tesla and buy whatever they make, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was fun, and it showed us a lot how like Teslas were made in cars, and like hopefully it inspired some other people like to want to come work here.
It was amazing, and it was very awe-inspiring.
It was very informative, and
Good.
I liked how we got to, at the end of the tour, take a picture and sit in the cars.
It was interesting to learn about the parts of a Tesla car.
Okay. What was most interesting?
The thing that looked like a motherboard was like the thing to control
The supercomputer you put
Yeah.
in there? Yeah.
I like how we got to see from like different parts of the Tesla, before it got built, and then I also like that they'll show us like from like scrap from the Tesla, and then they'll build up into like the whole Tesla yourself. It was a good experience at the end though.
Good,
Thank you,
good.
It's very interesting to see like how every Tesla is built, because not a lot of people get to see it.
Yeah. You got an inside look today.
I think it was great. I liked how Teslas could have brains that are programmed to tell them where to move. Like, it was really cool.
It was good going the first time we were in a Cybertruck and trying to drive it too. It was super awesome.
It was super awesome.
And I like the Cybertruck. It was a great time at Tesla. I just want to say I had a great time trying to see what's going on. They was seeing different type of parts. And the one thing I will really shout out to is the person was giving us the tour. To stop his job to give us the tour about Tesla, and I will shout out that person again. Really appreciate that of taking your time out, us giving us a tour. I really appreciate it.